A very good morning to all. A very warm welcome to everybody. नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका आज की इस महफिल में, इंडियन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट के इस दरबार में। हम और आप कई महीनों से इस दिन की राह देख रहे थे, कई हफ्तों से तैयारियां कर रहे थे, कई दिन तो सिर्फ आज के इंतज़ार में थे। तो इंतज़ार की घड़ियां अब ख़त्म होती हैं, क्योंकि अब वो लम्हे आ ही गए हैं ये दिखाने के लिए कि किस में कितना है दम। इस परदेश में रहते हुए कुछ ही चुनिंदा लोगों ने एक अधूरापन महसूस किया, एक कमी महसूस की कमी एक प्लेटफॉर्म की, एक मंच की जहां पर भारत से जुड़ा हुआ हर एक शख्स अपना हुनर, अपना टैलेंट दिखा सके। इसी अधूरेपन ने, इसी कमी ने एक कोशिश को जन्म दिया, कोशिश ने ख्वाब को जन्म दिया, ख्वाब ने इंसानियत की डोरी से कुछ लोगों को करीब लाए और जन्म हुआ इंडियन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट का। इंडियन मैनेजमेंट ने लगभग 4 महीने पहले यूनाइटेड स्टेट में रहने वाले हर एक जोशीले, हर एक सुरीले, हर उम्र के, हर स्टेट के, हर शख्स के सामने अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ का भंडार खोला और लॉन्च किया अपना पहला यूनिक टैलेंट शो, शिकागो इंडियन आइकॉन। तो बेताबी और बेसब्री की घड़ियां ख़त्म करते हैं और हम मंच पर इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं इंडियन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट की टीम को। सबसे पहले मैं दावत देना चाहूँगी मिस्टर ब्रिज शर्मा, प्रेसिडेंट इंडियन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट। Now we would like to invite Mr. Sharan Walia, Director of Planning and Management, Indian Event Management. Okay, now I would like to invite Mrs. Pratibha Jairath, Vice President, Indian Event Management. Now I would like to invite Mr. Raju Bankapu, Director of Entertainment Planning and Execution. Now I would like to invite Mr. Anup Walia, Director of Public Relations and Business Operations. इस शुभ काम को शुरू करने से पहले हम श्री गणेश की वंदना करेंगे।
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Now we would like to invite Mr. Brish Sharma, President, Indian Event Management, to say a few words.
Respected judges, VIPs, all our sponsors, and all the participants. It's my great pleasure and immense honor to welcome all of you here today for the Chicago's first reality show, Chicago India Icon. Chicago India Icon, we also call it CII, which you might have read on the website and posters. CII is being presented to you by a very young organization, Chicago Event Management Incorporated, which was formed a few months back by a group of 4 individuals who come from very diverse talent and backgrounds, different talent, different experiences, but they all have a very strong passion to serve the community. Just about 4 weeks back, when I came in contact with those 4 individuals here, which you will get to know more, and maybe most of you already know them. About 4 weeks back, when I came in contact with these nice individuals, and I heard about their vision and mission, I was so impressed. It did not take me more than 5 minutes to say, yes, I'm excited about it. And very soon, their dream also became my dream.
Thank you, Bridgie. Thanks for nice word for the IEM team. And thanks for the nice audience and the participants. Myself, Sharan Walia. I'm Director of Planning and Management. Just wanted to bring some vision of Chicago Indian icon. Bridgie already spoke about Indian event management, that what we are planning to do in coming future. I would like to talk about the icon. Chicago Indian icon, we call it CII, is the first product of IEM. The word icon can be used to recognize a person with any talent, such as singing, dancing, music, acting, painting, etc. But today, we all have gathered here to kick off search of a person with unique talent of Bollywood karaoke singing. I will not take much time with that. I would like to invite Pratibha Jarat, our Vice President of Indian Event Management, to say a few words. Thank you so much.
Good morning and welcome. Since time immemorial, music has always been an integral part of human fabric of life. Music is a universal language that crosses all man-made boundaries only to unite people in a cohesive and harmonious manner, and in the process raises the bar of human expectations. Music has many faces, including its impact on positive impact on children's math skills, listening skills, self-esteem, and it encourages children's creativity. If that is true about music, then we have an obligation to tap into and expose the musical talent in each and every child of our American Indian society. We need to disseminate the sound of music to younger generation who will be the pillars of our society. The Indian Icon venue has taken this bold step forward for the first time in Chicago to nurture in our children the love for music and compete in this musical talent where there will be winners and no losers. Every child, every adult, and every contestant who does not win is not a loser, but only a possible winner in the times ahead. Now let's talk about our generation. We all grew up with filmi dunya, which we now call as Bollywood. Bollywood music has been a popular hobby, and we know that, right, by number of karaoke groups. So I think it's going to be very exciting, very entertaining, and as Vidya Balan would say, it's entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. I'd like to invite Raju Pankapur, Director of Planning and Execution.
Welcome everybody to India Event Management's Chicago Indian Icon, the Bollywood Karaoke Competition. And as we have said, hum, यानी कि आप किसी से कम नहीं, and nothing is less than सितारों का मुकाबला. You are the stars of today's event, and you are making history today. The participants, first of all, the audience, the judges, and the MCs, and all the volunteers that have helped us put this day together are part of history, because this is the first Indian event management show. And so let's give ourselves a big applause and celebrate this grand day. Now I'd like to introduce Anup Walia, who is our Director of PR, Public Relations and Business Operations. Anup.
Thank you, Raju. You covered most of my points. Honorable judges, respected audience, and my dear friends, the participants, welcome to Chicago Indian Icon. At this very moment, through live streaming, you are being watched all over. So put your best foot forward, your best favorite, your best behavior, because you've been watched all over. There's a lot of excitement in this room who's going to be our first Chicago Indian icon. Could be a person sitting next to you. I'm the scary guy because I have to read all the rules to you, not all in the short form.
First, I would like to present a TV personality who is related to TV serials, Ahmedabad Doordarshan, a local TV station for past 18 years. He is a lyricist, musician, and a stage performance. Please welcome Soren Thakkar. Our co-host this morning is a multi-talented person who has hosted countless events in the Chicago area in the past 18 years. She's a television producer, director, model, and was a lead actress in films like Legally, Desi, and Street Thief. Please welcome beautiful and versatile Chinmay Bhatt.
Hello, Chicago! Welcome to Chicago's Indian Icon.
Welcome to Chicago Indian Icon, the first of its kind karaoke singing competition.
आइए मिलते हैं हमारे आज के first panel of judges.
Richard Christian. He is very talented. He has 20 years of experience playing tabla and he's a rhythmist.
And now for our next judge, please welcome the extremely well accomplished Mr. Hitesh Master. Hitesh ji has a master's degree in music from Ahmedabad. He has worked in Bollywood for many years with many famous composers and music directors, including the very legendary Shankar Jaikishan duo.
हमारे नेक्स्ट जज है, ये हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि वो आज हमारे बीच में है. शी इज़ वेरी एक्सपीरियंस, वेरी टैलेंटेड मीनू जी, जिन्होंने बॉलीवुड के बहुत सारे म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया और बहुत सारे सिंगर्स के साथ परफॉर्म भी किया. रियली आई एम प्लीज्ड टू अनाउंस मीनू जी.
हुजूरे वाला जो हो इजाजत तो हम ये सारे जहां से कहते हैं. हुजूरे वाला जो हो इजाजत तो हम ये सारे